Right. Last class we have completed. We started control flow statements and we have understood if. So first we understand what is control flow statement. A keyword that is used to control the flow of execution is technically called control flow statement. Next we discussed why control flow statement. A control flow statement are used for taking decision to execute a block of statements either 0 or 1 or multiple times depending on the given input. In our real life, we will take the decision whether to talk to this person or not, okay, or whether to accept this value or not by using our eyes. By using eyes, some calculations in your brain, we are doing some work. Eyes, nothing but control flow statements. Brain is nothing but operators validations. Okay, operator validations, nothing but your brain calculation, and eyes are nothing but control flow statements. Next, how many control flow statements Java support? Java support 11 control flow statements. They are divided into 3 types. You have to tell very carefully. Java supports 11 control flow statements. They are divided into 3 groups or 3 types or 3 groups. Conditional, loops, branching. Next, what is the purpose of each control flow statement? Conditional statements are used for taking decision whether to execute a block of statement 0 or 1 time. Loop control flow statements are used for executing a block of statement 0 or n number of times. Branching control flow statements are used for terminating the program execution and sending the control to other place. Break is used for terminating the loop and send the control out of the loop to execute the next lines available in the method. Continue is used for terminating the current iteration and continue the execution of next iterations. And return is used for terminating the method logic and send the control to calling method. Then we started about first conditional, working with if else, if else ladder. First we are understanding with if. What the use under conditional statements, we have 6 topics are there. If else, if else ladder, switch case default, nested if, nested switch. First we are understanding if. What is if? If is a conditional statement. If is one of the conditional statements. It is used for taking decision to execute one statement or a block of statement or not, whether to execute or not based on the given value. The syntax of if is if Boolean condition, then statements. We can write with body or without body. If I write without body, variable is not allowed. Other statements are allowed. If you want to place variable declaration, then we should provide body. Then we understood one example on if. Okay, all the people write down this. Yesterday we have written something else. I want you to write this program. Tell me what the syntax of if. If following by condition. What is allowed? One statement. Okay. What is the another syntax we have? If condition with body multiple statements. Okay. Tell me, as a condition, what is allowed? The allowed arguments are number 1, Boolean literals, true or false. Second, Boolean variable. Third, Boolean expression. Fourth, Boolean non-void method call. Any of these four are allowed. As a condition, the allowed arguments are these. So tell me, I'm writing here, if true, if the condition value is true, the if block statements are executed. The if block statements are executed. Now tell me, if true, open bracket, closed bracket. I'm writing here, in if false, in if, okay. Next, I'm creating here, Boolean bo1 equal to true. If bo1, open bracket, closed bracket. Okay, let me write in if 1, in if 2. System dot out dot println of double quotes in if 3. Next, I'm writing here, Boolean bo2, Boolean bo2 equal to false. Now I am writing here, bo2 equal to in if 4. Tell me, what is the output you will get here? One second, let me save this file. Now tell me, what is the output of this program? Here, first, what we have to verify, argument is valid or not. Argument is valid, yes. If true, true means if body executed, output is in if 1. If false, false means body executed or not executed, not executed. If 2, in if 2 will not come. Then also we can write in if block place what you write, variable. What type of variable? Boolean. What the value of Boolean variable? True. If true, in if 3 will come. I can write variable. What the variable value? False. False means body is not executed. Okay. Then now what is the output we get? In if 1, in if 2, if 3 we will get. In if 1, in if 2. Compile, execute. Array. I calculator పెట్టాను. Okay, in if 1, in if 3, 2 and 4 not coming because of false. What is the other case we can pass here? These are first literals. Okay, then variables. Then now I am taking expression, Boolean expression I want to generate. I can generate Boolean expression by using relational operators, by using equality operators. Number 3, by using logical operators. Okay, I want to take relational operator first by using relational operator. Relational operators can I apply on Boolean variable? No. We can apply only on int variable, less than, greater than, na? So I have to take int variable. Int a equal to some value 10 I am taking. If a less than, if a less than 20, then now only one statement I am writing. So body I am ignoring now. Okay. System dot out dot println of double quotes in if 5. Next, same condition I am writing, copy paste. If a greater than 20, in if 6. What will you get now? In if 5 only we will get. If 6 we will not get. Control 1, compile, and control 2, executed. If 5 we are getting. Okay. And tell me, can I prepare this expression by using equality operators? Yes, by using equality operator. What do you write? If a equal to 10, if a equal to 10, system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println in if 7, if a not equal to 10, then system dot out dot println 8. What will you get now? What is the a value? A value is 10. 10 equal to 10? Yes. Then if 7, if 10 not equal to 10, false. Then if 8 will come or will not come? Will not. Okay. If 8 not coming, 7 only coming. Next, tell me, can I use logical operators also? Yes. Logical operators can be used only on relation. I mean, 2 conditions I required. If a equal to 10, okay, and a less than or equals to 20, which condition? Okay, if a equal to 10, or else let me write here a equal to again some value. Okay, if a greater than 5, and a less than 20, then I want to execute this. If a less than 5 or a greater than 20, I want to execute this. Tell me now. 7, 8, sorry, this is 9, and then this is 10. Tell me now. So 9 is true now, false? A value is what? 10. 10 greater than 5, true. And 10 less than 20, true. True and under true, true. Then if, okay, if a less than 5, false. False or anything is false? No. Then a value 10. 10 greater than 20, false. False or false? False. Is it executed? No. Control 1, compile, and control 2, execute. 9 only execute, 10 will not come. Okay, na? Next, very important rule. As if condition, we cannot use integer 0 or 1 or other number. Okay, very important. Like in C language, as if condition or if argument. If argument, we cannot use integer 0. We cannot use integer 0 or 1 or other number or some other number. In C language, if 0, okay, let me write. In C language, true means, okay, false means 0, and any non-zero number true. Okay. In C language, 0 is considered as, in C language, 0 is considered as false, and any non-D0 number is considered as true. Means, tell me, in C language, if 0 is allowed, okay, in C language, if false is, if 1 is allowed, where in C allowed, in C allowed. Now in Java, allowed or not allowed? Not allowed, not allowed. Is it clear? If you try to use in Java, compiler will throw error. Look at that. Incompatible types. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. Clear my point? So very important point. Interviewer will confuse you. Observe. If I write A, if I write A here, compile or not compile? A is what type? Int type. If A, if I write if A, suppose I am writing here A equal to 1. A equal to 1, if A, allowed or not allowed? Compiler throw error, incompatible type, A cannot be converted to Boolean. Compiler is throwing error. Incompatible int cannot be converted to Boolean. Either directly value you cannot pass, or via variable also you cannot pass. I am taking here 0 and A 0 not allowed. Compiler throwing error. Incompatible types, it cannot be converted to Boolean. Okay. Then now tell me why this is going. Now I am writing something like this. A plus 10 allowed? A plus 10 allowed? Not allowed. A minus 10 allowed? Not allowed. Why? Because the plus operator is generating what value? Int value. Int value based expression are not allowed. Int cannot be converted, int cannot be converted. So what is the Boolean, what is the if condition argument? Only Boolean type. So again repeating the rule, as if argument we can pass only Boolean type value. We can pass only Boolean type, Boolean literal or variable or expression or method, non-void method call. NVMC means non-void method call. Okay. Now, yesterday I have asked the question. One more time again I am asking question. A equal to 10. If A equals to 10, system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println, double quotes. Hi. Compile or not compiled? Why not compiled? Again? Because of assignment operator. No, because the expression result is int. It is compile time error. Why? Because A is int type. Expression result is int. Okay, so not allowed. Now tell me, if A equal to 10, system dot, I copy paste here. System dot out at println, compile, compile. Here, compile time error. Here, no compile time error. Why? Because of double equal to operator. Hey, Don't follow operator, follow the type, what is coming, value, what is coming, check type. Because result type is Boolean. Okay. So very important point. Don't confuse on single equal to and double equal to. Single equal to stores given data in the variable and returns the same value. Okay. Double equal to stores a comparison. Compares variable value with given value and returns true or false. Returns true or false. Okay. Then now tell me, BO, okay, Boolean BO equals to true. If BO equals to false. Okay, BO I'm taking here false. BO equals to true. System dot out dot println of double quotes hi. Any compile time error or no compile time error? No compile time error. Why? Here variable type is Boolean. Assignment returns Boolean value. What is that? True. Tell me. Here what is the output you will get? Hi, true. Why true coming? BO variable is created with what value? False. First it value false. Then true is stored. False replaced with true. And same value returned to if. Then if true means SOPL. Then go outside. What is the BO value? True. True will come. Online students understood? Baba, offline students, you also understand? Paka. Interviewer, can you play with interviewer? Or interviewer will play with you? Interviewer play with you? You know, when interviewer is talking with you, slowly, you should start smile at you. What is the meaning of smile? He's happy now with you. Yeah, I found the candidate, the right candidate to give the job. By seeing a question and answer, at least give me one question answer. I'll give job. Should not come to that stage. Okay. Next question. BO equals to false. Okay. If BO okay, 1 minute. It's a println. Where? What is the output? Hi printed or not printed? Why not printed? Only false. Hi is not printed. Why hi is not printed? Because it is not assignment operator. It is comparison operator. Comma, false equal to true returns false. That's it. So with this, we understood what is if, what is the purpose of if, what is allowed if, in if, what is allowed, what expression is allowed. If you try to overlook what is the problem, everything is clear. Clear? I'll upload this file. These points already yesterday we have written. We have not written this part. I forgot actually. I jump into directly the program. If condition value is true, if the condition value is true, okay. The condition value is true. The if block statements are executed, else not executed. Enough. Okay, based on this, all cases I have shown here. And the most important dangerous case is 0, 1, a value, expression. And next one, very, very important. If argument, we can pass only as if argument, we can pass only Boolean literal variable. Which variable? Boolean variable, Boolean expression, Boolean non-void method call. Okay, let me read fully, otherwise you will cry later. Please look at here. I am taking a variable equals to 10. Now I wanted to find here the value coming is something. Okay, I'm reading from the keyboard. Okay, let me read. Java.util.scanner scn equal to new java.util.scanner. Can I write like this? Why I'm writing util dot here? I don't want to write at beginning import statement. I want to avoid import statement. So directly I can write java.util and then system.out.print of double quotes. Okay, otherwise let me write a separate program. Import java.util.scanner. Yeah, I'll type. Now here create scanner object of system.in. Now print message, enter number. Okay. Now take that number into variable. Int array or int number equal to scn dot next int. This keyboard become very hard, man. Keys are not coming. If I wanted to print, if it is a positive number, I want to print the number is positive. System dot out dot println number double quotes is positive. Okay, and then what statement I have to write? Number greater than 0. If number greater than 0, number is positive. Save it. Okay, number is positive. Now save it, compile it, compile successfully, executed, executed successfully, enter number 10. 10 is positive. Run again, 20. 20 is positive. Enter again, minus 10. No message come. Okay. If it is a negative, what should I do? I need to write what? Else. Right. Working with else. What written? Working with else. Else is one of the conditional statements. Else is one of the conditional statement. It is used for executing. It is used for executing a block of statements. A block of statements when if condition value is false. When if condition value is false. One second, sir. I want to upload this file, then syntax. Syntax, observe here. Can I write only else? No. If, what will be there? Condition, open bracket, closed bracket. Here what statements will be there? True statements. True value statements. Then following by what you write? Else, open bracket, closed bracket, false value statements. Okay, this is the syntax number 1. Like if, can I also write else without body? Yes. No need to write body. When? If has only one statement. If you have only one statement, I can write without body. one statement. Here also one statement. Next, can I write like this? If with multiple statements, else with without body. If with body, if with body, else without body. Under else block, how many statements are coming? Only one statement. Is it allowed? Yes, allowed. Okay. One more syntax is there. Copy, paste. If without body, how many statements? One statement. Else with body. How many statements? Maybe one, maybe multiple. All four syntaxes are allowed. Okay. Now look at here. Is this allowed? If condition, without body, I am placing multiple statements. Then else with one statement or multiple statements. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Okay. Here compiler throw error. Understand? Where compiler will throw error? Compiler throw error to statements or else? Come on, everyone. Else. Under if, without statement, without body, how many statements allowed? One. Then these statements are under if, outside if. Then else is having any association to the if? No. Then we'll get error to the else. Else without if. Write down four syntaxes. Compile time error. Else without if. Write down. Syntaxes. Ma? What is else? Else is one of the control flow statements. What the use of else? Else is used for executing a block of statements when if condition value is false. Syntaxes. This is syntax number 1. Syntax 2. Syntax 3. Here we can write one or more. Here only one. Here one statement. Here this is syntax number 4. One or more statements. What? Ichi sound. You want me to move up? First syntax completed, everyone? Fourth syntax. 3 completed. Fourth syntax completed. Fifth syntax. Fifth syntax is error, invalid. If there is no body, then how many statements comes under? Only one statement allowed. We'll get compile timer else without if, because else is not associated with if, because of statements before else. Check write down program. If true, in if once, else. In else one. If false, in if two, in else. Okay, I tried main method, no? If true, high one, high two, Completed? What is the output here? Here output in if 1. Here output in else 2. Here output will get high 1, high 2. Okay, hello will not come. Last program will write and wind up. Here I am writing if true without body. Where you will get error? Compile line number 66 or 67? Let's see now. Control 1, line number 67, else without if. Compile time error, else without. Completed? So here compile time error. If I comment this, what is the output? High 1, high 2, hello 1, hello 2 also will come. Because it's also become independent statements. Then completed? One interesting question. Let's see how many people can answer. What is the output? Compile time error. High will come. Compile time error. Everyone. Compile time error or output higher. Higher. Control 1. Okay. Nice. Hello. Inka avala oka nimisham. Now I am writing false. Then high will come or will not come? Will not come. Sare high place lo hello rasta. Hello will come or will not come? Will not come. Will come. Will not. Come on, decide, decide. Hello, will come or will not come? Compile successfully. Why? The most dangerous fellow, semicolon. Semicolon is also a statement. Like SOPLN, semicolon is also a statement. If you write semicolon here, okay, then SOPLN not comes under the if true. It become independent of if true. So if true, after how many statements available? Only one statement. What that one statement? Semicolon. Semicolon already there under if true. Then this is not become if true. After if false, semicolon is there. Semicolon under if false. If false means what? Semicolon will not come. SOPLN comes under if? No. Understand? Write down semicolon effect. Semicolon is also a statement. Here, SOPLN not comes under if. Completed? Here output is hi. Here output is hello. Only semicolon is comes under if. This line is not under if. Okay, be careful, remember this. Okay, now write program and we'll go to the next topic. Develop a program, close this main method, close this class. Develop a program to read a number from keyboard. Develop a program to read a number from keyboard. Develop a program to read a number from keyboard. If it is a positive, display positive, else display negative. Else display negative. Please write that program. Check. Correct? Huh? Able to write, everyone? Now tell me, what should I do now? Run this code, compile, and execute. Enter number 10. 10 is positive. Everyone look at here, please. Control 2. Number is minus 10. Minus 10 is negative. Correctly working? Now I have a question. 0. 0, positive or negative? It is not positive. It is not negative. 0 is 0. If you pass 0, what message displayed? Understood? What is the problem in your code? Less than equal to greater than or equals to 0 is positive. Hey, 0 is not positive number. 0 is not negative number. 0 is 0. 0 doesn't have sign. What should I print for the 0? I should print 0. You entered 0. What the message I have to print? You have entered 0. Okay, 0 is not a negative number. 0 is not a positive number. 0 is a 0. That's it. So tell me, what message I have to print? You have entered 0. That means I need one more condition here, na? Because I have to verify this number 3 cases. Positive, negative, 0. Right down. Above program is failed. Above program is failed for above program is failed for the input 0. Full stop. It prints what? 0 is negative. It prints 0 is negative. Wrong answer. What should I do now? We must add, right on. We must add one more condition in above program. We must add one more condition in the above program. We must add one more condition in the above program. Okay, full stop. Down. For checking given number, with multiple conditions, we must use if comma. We must use if comma, else if comma, else ladder. If comma, else if comma, if ladder. Else ladder. syntax, right? Syntax. If condition one statements, else if condition two some other statements, else if condition three some more statements, finally else some other statements. First condition is true, first if statements are executed, if else or else if or else statements are not executed. When first if is false and else if is true, then else if condition statements are executed. And finally, when if and all else if conditions are false, then final else statements are executed. Write on these notes also. Completed? Huh? When should we choose if else if ladder? When we need to do choice kind of operations. If not this, do this. If not this, do this. Okay, a menu kind of operations are there. Okay, in file, okay, this is new, then do this. If it is a save, do this. If it is save as, do this. If you have multiple choice conditions, if you wanted to write, then we should choose if else if ladder. You can write that this point also. Done, completed. Write down. Rewrite above program. Rewrite above program to print the message. To print the message, you have entered 0. To print the message, you have entered 0. For the input 0. You have entered 0 for the input 0. Please rewrite. Rewriting what you have written. This is if, else if, else program. This is third. Tell me. Here we have written condition for positive. If I leave it, then for 0, for negative number, both this logic executing. You want to execute this logic for 0, only negative number. That means after else, you have to add one more condition. Else if number less than 0, then execute. And finally, else. And then remaining is what? 0. System.out.println, double quotes, you have entered 0. Save it. Now let me compile it. Compile successfully. Executed. Enter number 10. 10 is positive. Positive number. And next, minus 10 is negative number. Compile. Execute. 10. Positive number. Execute. Minus 10. Negative number. Next, control 2. What? 0. You have entered 0. Everything working fine? Tell me. After if else if completed, are the statements available down executed? Yes. Okay. If you write before main method, after if else if later, if you write some more statements here, those statements are executed. Understand? Right. Then now I want you write one more program. Okay, standard program is there. Everyone will follow same program. One more time we will try. Write down. Develop a program. Develop a program to read weekday number from weekday number. Weekday from keyboard. Print the day name based on the given number. Print the day name based on the given number. If wrong number is entered, print wrong value, only enter between 1 to 7. 1 is Sunday, start from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 2 is Monday. Not switch case. Why switch case? If entered 8, what should display? Okay, sir. Here 1. If you entered 1, what is display? Today is Sunday. Today is Monday. And display 8. Which day? Wrong number, comma, enter only in between 1 to 7. Right code. It is not switch, same if else if ladder, multiple cases. Completed? right? Up to here same. Now enter number, enter day na. Enter day number. Day number 1, 2, 3, like that. Day number 1 to 7. In bracket, more clarity I am giving. Day number 1 to 7. Then that number read and come to day number. So meaningful names you have to take I, X, Y, Z. No. Okay. What is that value? It's a day number. Int day number. What I should write? If day number. I have to compare, right? I should compare that number. What do you write? Day number equals to 1. What do you write? System dot out dot println. Open bracket required or not required? Not required, because we are writing only one sentence, one statement. Double quotes. What do you write? Today is Sunday. Elsa, else if. Else if with space or without space? With space. In Python, elif will be there. Okay, in Python statement is elif. Okay, in Java we should write else if. Just go through once. Python also we will enjoy. If day number equals to 2, double equals to 2, then what you write? Today is Monday. Did you write or watching now? If day number equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now tell me, if all 7 days are over, then do you have any remaining? No. But still, end user may enter wrong number. So we have to display wrong number, comma, enter only in between 1 to 7. This is what I expected you to write. Did you join Oracle class 11 o'clock? 11 a.m. Do you have any class? Oracle or Python? HTML, Advanced Java? Oracle there? Faculty? Okay. How many days it will take? Last 12 days. Okay. Any other students? 11 a.m. Do you have any other classes? What class? You told already, other than Oracle. HTML, faculty. Jashwant. Okay. How many more days it will take to complete? Just now started. Just now 11 o'clock, everyone start just. Anybody start at 11 o'clock? Immediately after batch, how can you join? 11:30. Oh, half an hour gap is there. Okay. Can we join advanced our batch? Where is the batch started? Not yet started, na? Completed a code. Control 1, compile. Control 2, enter day number 0. Wrong number, enter one in between 1 to 7. Okay. Again, enter 9. Wrong number, enter one in between 1 to 7. Okay. 1. Today is Sunday. What the today day? Today Friday. Friday means 6. Today is Friday. Program working fine, but this is very less performance application. Takes more time to execute. Listen, if I give 7, listen everyone. If I give 7, now I gave the input what? 7. If I give 7, will it directly come to the 7? No. It will verify. Is it 1? False. Then equal to 2? False. Equal to 3? False. Equal to 4? False. Equal to 5? False. Equal to 6? False. Equal to 7? True. Then it will go here. Understand? What is the problem with if else if ladder? Ladder. That's why it is named as ladder. It's going step by step, step by step. But I want like a Superman, directly go to 6th step or directly go to 100th step. Okay. I don't want to go ladder like, okay. That is where what concept I have to use? Switch. Write on down. If, else if, else. If, comma, else if, comma, else. Ladder. Execution is slow. Execution is slow because it reached to the last condition. It reaches to the last condition after checking all previous conditions. 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 Can you write these arrow marks? I gave the input 7. Then here false. F again. F again. F. All false, 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 false. Then true. It will not directly come to the 7th condition. Then completed. Down. Solution. Switch control flow statement. Solution, switch control flow statement. Okay, write down. Switch is one of the control flow statements. Write down next. Switch is one of the control flow statements. Switch is one of the control flow statements. It is used for developing. It is used for developing a choice-based application. A choice, CHYC, a choice-based application or menu-driven based application. or menu driven based application. Menu, MENU, menu hyphen driven, DRIVEN, menu driven application. Okay, look at here for understanding. Menu means file, edit, view, search, document, all these are called what? Menus. If I click on file, file logic should execute. If I click on edit, edit logic execute. Tell me, is it a software or not? When I click on this file is a one button. Background of this button, some logic is attached. That logic should execute. And like how you have written the program, listen, everyone, look at the screen. Like how you have written day-wise program, same way there is a program background of this Edit Plus software. Now it is, when you click on it, the text is what here? File. Now enter a text is what? File. If file equal to sorry, if text equal to file, then file logic executed. Else if text equal to edit, edit logic is executed. Understand? If text equal to view, view logic is executed. Look at there, when I click on it, these all the menus coming na. That logic is available under if condition here. If we click on edit, this logic, edit means this logic is executed and this menu items are displayed. Now this logic executed based on the choice or menu. When I click on something, that is called menu. Menu driven based application is executed. Then we have to choose what? Switch. Okay. Next, syntax. Switch syntax. Switch syntax. Don't write syntax equal to, write on this. Switch bracket argument. Switch argument. Case label 1 colon statements, then break. Case label 2, some other statements, break, semicolon, etc. Like this we can write a number of cases. Then at last, default case, common statements. Completed? Here, two rules are there. If you remember if argument, what argument I can pass as a if argument? Boolean. Then what is the argument I can pass to switch? Write down here. Arrow mark to argument. Arrow mark to argument. Write down there. Only int or only int or its lesser types. What are the lesser types? Byte or short or char types only allowed. It's a lesser type. Byte or short or char type only allowed. Next point. If we use or if we pass long or float or double, compiler throws error. Long or float or double, compiler throws error. Would you happen? For what type of values comparison switch will be used? Only int. If you want to use comparison with long or double, can I use switch? No, I have to go back to if else ladder. Suppose I want to compare employee experience. Employee experience is what? Experience and what? It is a int number or float number? Int. Hey, experience. You have 1 year, 1.3 years, 1.5 years, 1.7 years. It is what? Float number. Based on the employee experience, I want to compare and decide the designation, decide the salary. Then can I use a switcher if else if ladder? If else if ladder. I cannot use experience wise comparison logic, salary wise comparison logic, mobile number based comparison logic. Okay. If you want, then you have to go for if else if ladder. So if you want to work with int or int lesser range values, then you can use what? Switch. Understood my point? Next, continuation. From Java, third point. First point, second point, third point. From Java, 5 version. From Java 5 version, we can use. Do you remember wrapper classes? We can use WC. WC and wrapper classes, integer, comma, guess. Integer, comma. Come on, above point, copy paste. Int integer, byte, comma, short, and character. Character and enum. Enum, E-N-U-M, enum. Enum I have not covered, I will cover. Just we are writing points. Next, fourth point. From Java 7 version onwards. From Java 7 version onwards. String object is also allowed. From Java 7 version onwards, string object is also allowed. You know, in every version, switch is enhancing. Repeat, from first version onwards, what type of value only allowed? Int type. From Java 5 version onwards, wrapper class object integer, byte, short, character allowed. Also enum allowed. From Java 7 version onwards, string object is allowed. Okay. Later versions in Java 15, Java 12, 15, 17 version, some other enhancements are given as part of the switch. That points we'll discuss later as a separate topic. Okay. Now, as of now, this much knowledge is sufficient. Okay. Now, let me try to understand. Second point, wherever you have space, you can write. You can write down on label. Okay. Label rule. What is this label? Label is the constant value. Write down. Label must be a constant. Must be a constant. Either literal, must be a constant. Full stop. Either can be a literal or must be a literal, comma, final variable, or final variable, literal or final variable or constant expression. Constant expression. What is the meaning of constant expression? 10 plus 20 is a constant expression. Okay. Under literal bracket, you write 10. 10 is a constant. Na? Under final variable down, if you have space, write down there. Final variable and what? Where is this? Final variable means final int I equals to 10. Final variable. Int I equals to 10. Now here I is final variable. Final int I equals to 10. What is the constant expression? 10 plus 20 is a constant expression, or I plus 20 is also constant expression because I is final. Because I is final, final variable also can be a constant expression. Next bullet point. The label value type. The label value type must be only. The label value type must be only int or byte or short or char or enum named constant. Enum named constant. Enum named constant or string literal. String literal. Even by heart చేసుకోవాలి. You have to by heart all these points. No sir, not understand. I will not understand. A for apple. Understand by hearted. Ante. Tell me, what is string argument is allowed? Argument type must be int. Int అంటే ఇంకా int lesser range allowed. Int or wrapper class, integer or enum or string. 4 types. Byte to short to character comes under int. No need to remember. Okay. Next, label also must be the same type. But label can be a variable? No. Here switch can be a variable. But label cannot be a variable. Cannot be a method call. Compulsory it must be constant. Constant means either literal, final variable or constant expression. Now this final variable, literal, constant expression type must be what? Int or enum named constant or string literal. That's it. Other than anything you write, compiler will call you near or come here and slap. Okay. Let's write a program. Rewrite above program. Rewrite above program to print day names. To print day names by using switch. By using switch. By using switch. All right. Test 04 switch program. రాస్తారా కాపీ చేస్తారా? కాపీ చేస్తారా? అయ్యా. Enter day number 127. Read that number. Tell me what I have to write in place of if. Switch. In bracket what I have to write? Only variable name. Ante, no assignment operator, no comparison operator. Switch day number. Open bracket. Understand? Whatever the variable name you have taken, that variable name we will pass here. Hello? Did you see? Whatever the variable name you have taken, that variable you will pass here. No double equal to operator. Then where is the double equal to operator? In case what you have written double equal to 1, write that 1 colon. Double equal to 1, double equal to place what is coming? Case. 1 place 1 coming. And then it's logic. Today is Sunday and you have to write break. Now chepo. Else if day equal to what will come? Case. Case 2. Listen. Colon. Date. Today is Monday. And again what write? Break. Which is now flow? In place of else if day number equal to what you write? Again case. 3. Case number 3. Case 3. Today is Tuesday. Break. Inken చూస్తా రాసేసుకో. Write down. Why you are watching seriously? Completed remaining. Case 4. Else if day 4 equal to case 4 colon system dot out dot println, then what do you write? Break. Again remove this. Case 5 colon break. Case 6 break. Case 7 break. If not case 7, else. Else has a condition or no condition? No condition. Then it is called default. After default, break required? Not required because that is the last. Close switch. Save it. Compile successfully. Execute. Enter day number 1. Today is Sunday. Explain the flow. 1 is coming to here. Day number is 1. Then down, day number replaced with 1. Then matching with case 1. It is executed. And then next, what is there? Break. Break means terminate. Break is a control flow statement. Terminate. The entire switch will go after switch. It will come here. If you write any SOPLN here, directly it will come here and execute. Okay. Now, let's say control 2. Suppose if I give here 3. Day number variable value 3. Switch 3. 3 matching constant is what? Case 3. Directly it will jump to case 3. Case 3 logic execute. It will not compare with 1 or 2 or 3 or like if else. Directly jump to case 3. Case 3 logic executed. And then what you written and break. Break means from there jump to out of switch. Next statement available in the program is executed. Today is Tuesday. Understand? Next, control 2. If I give here 6 and then day number 6, switch off 6, 6 matching with case 6. Directly go to case 6. Case 6 logic executed, break, going out of the switch, method logic executed. Okay, na? Next, now case number again executing. Now here I'm giving 8. Tell me day number 8. Switch off 8. Switch off 8 is available? No. Directly go to default. And you're getting raw number. Enter only in between 1 to 7. Clear? So this is the very important program. Hope all the people will practice and come. Write down. Try at home and come. Assignment. Read day name. Read day name from keyboard as MON, comma, TUE, MON Monday, TUE Tuesday. Worst fellow. Brain ఎక్కడ పెడతారేంట్రా? BM common sense failure, Swami. Read day name. Day name is what? MON Monday, TUE Tuesday. Okay? Dot dot dot. Display. Day number as SUN. If you enter, what you should print? Sunday is day 1. Write down. Sunday is day 1. If you enter MON, Monday is day 2. Dot dot dot. The program you should write. Okay? Think yourself how to write. Type in your system. Don't write in the notes. Hello? Don't show your talent in the notes. Type directly in the system. Output coming or not, check. If coming, good. If not coming, come tomorrow, we'll discuss. Thank you. That's all for today class.
కేసు సపరేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ మొత్తం రాసి రాయొచ్చు కదా సార్. బ్రేక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మండే సండే రాసి లాస్ట్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా సార్.
రాసి చూడండి ఏం జరిగింది.
సార్
రాసి చూడండి ఏం జరిగిద్దో అంటే. Which batch? Which batch are you? Nine AM batch, 11 AM batch, there is no difference in Google Classroom. Both are same. Content will be same. Okay. There is no space in 9 o'clock Google Classroom. There will be full, no chance to join. Okay. So Google Classroom wise, there is no difference. Material, everything will be same. Same thing I'll upload. And you are coming to class, running notes will be there. Okay. So whatever I'm giving running notes, same thing uploaded. Okay. And 11 o'clock, what is there? 9 also same thing is there. There is no information difference. Okay.
This question, which operator is used for exponential in Java? So, but I had a program. It's so zero. I mean, this treated as like
Exponential will not be, programmatically will not be there. Just theoretical representation purpose, we write cap.
for program.
Program wise, you have to use its power. There is a predefined method called POW power. You have to use power.
Going to meet you.
For what?
Sir, we are going to our hometown. So we want online links. For 1 week. For 1 week.
For 1 week. For what reason you are going?
Parents.
Why? Then celebrate and come.
Sir, they need online.
Online link we again purchase for you, right? Online link is not free. As many students done the payment for online, for those students, online link will be there. For parents calling, for lover calling, for holy celebrations, we go. How can we bear that extra money? That's what I'm saying. So we have to bear it extra, right? Extra money we have to spend.
Sir, what do we do? Then it's
So I told you already, because of parents calling, if you go to home, you are missing the content. Later you don't understand. Can't we celebrate Holi next year? Is this year that much important? If you don't celebrate Holi, is there any problem in your life? Question, think. Now we are in a peak stage. If you go now, definitely you will not listen at home. Even online link will be there, but you don't join. You will celebrate with your parents and busy with the Holi. 1 day continuity if you miss, next classes 100% you will not understand, because I will link previous class to the next class. And currently I'm feeling that I am teaching only control flow statements, it's okay. But next I'll start object-oriented programming. So if you want, you can take, I don't mind, okay? So, but definitely you will miss your continuity. Definitely miss continuity. When continuity is missing, you will not understand next classes. I have seen for many batches. That's why in your batch, especially I created the rule. When you are going, I told the admin, don't give the links to the students when they are going offline to online. It's up to you. If you want, I will give. It's not a big deal. Okay. Think again. And then if still really you want, you are feeling that I am missing my festival. If festival is missed, my life will give gone. Okay. If you feel, then I'm ready to give you. No problem. Okay. Think and send message to me if you want. I will send.